Looking to upgrade your home and kitchen game? Get ready to discover 29 must-have gadgets that are practical, innovative, and designed to make your life easier. From clever organizers to time-saving tools, these gadgets will transform your space and simplify your routine. Whether you're a home chef or just love smart solutions, this list has something for everyone. Let's dive in and explore the ultimate upgrades for your home and kitchen. The IREL 5-tier shoe rack is a versatile and space-saving organizer designed to keep your footwear neat and accessible. With a sleek, black, powder-coated finish, it holds 25 pairs of shoes across 5 sturdy shelves, perfect for sneakers, heels, and boots. Its durable construction and waterproof materials make it easy to clean, while the side storage bag adds extra space for small essentials like keys or umbrellas. Stackable and lightweight, this modern shoe rack is ideal for any room. The Dania & Dean Extra Thick Silicone Baking Mat is a must-have for every home baker. Made from 100% food-grade silicone with reinforced fiberglass, it's durable, non-stick, and non-slip, ensuring hassle-free dough handling and precision with built-in measurements. Its extra thickness prevents wrinkles and keeps it securely in place, while the high heat resistance makes it perfect for the oven, microwave, or freezer. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, this mat simplifies baking cookies, bread, pastries, and more. A versatile kitchen essential for effortless baking and a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts. The Zober Velvet Hangers 50-pack is a stylish and practical solution for keeping your wardrobe organized. With a sleek black velvet finish and sturdy 360-degree swivel hooks, these hangers are perfect for everything from heavy coats to delicate tops. Their slim, space-saving design maximizes closet space, while the non-slip surface and notched shoulders keep your clothes securely in place without slipping. The curved shoulder line maintains the natural shape of garments, and the added horizontal bar makes them versatile for hanging pants, suits, and more. The Gorilla Grip Sided Cheese Grater is a versatile kitchen tool perfect for grating, shredding, zesting, and slicing fruits, veggies, cheeses, and more. Its high-quality stainless steel blades are rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe, ensuring durability. The oversized ergonomic handle provides a comfortable slip-resistant grip, while the slip-resistant base keeps the grater steady during use. A detachable container with a removable lid stores your ingredients with ease and features measurements for precise portions. The Weo Key Holder for Wall is a stylish and functional wall mount organizer made from durable pine wood and featuring 4 sturdy double metal hooks. It's perfect for keys, mail, wallets, sunglasses, and more. The integrated design includes a mail organizer, chalkboard for notes, and 2 storage boxes. Its sleek look makes it a great addition to any entryway, hallway, or living space. Easy to install with included mounting hardware, this key holder helps keep your space tidy and adds a charming touch to your home. The Iziller Pasta Maker is a versatile and sturdy manual machine with 9 adjustable thickness settings, allowing you to create the perfect dough for pasta, dumpling skins, and more. It features 2 cutter widths for spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, and other shapes. Made from food-grade aluminum alloy, the machine ensures safety and durability with a sturdy table clamp to prevent slipping. The easy-to-clean design, including a removable cutter for thorough cleaning, makes this pasta maker a reliable tool for creating authentic, homemade pasta every time. The Hainan Toilet Bowl Brush Holder Set is designed for efficient and compact bathroom cleaning. Its curved S-shaped brush easily reaches tough areas, such as under the rim, while its flexible and durable bristles clean without damaging the toilet's glaze. The semi-open holder allows water to drip off, preventing floor messes and odors. Its ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort during use, and the compact size makes it ideal for small spaces like apartments and RV bathrooms. With a modern, elegant design, this set is both functional and stylish for any bathroom. The IdeaTech 20-pack reusable food storage bags are an eco-friendly and practical solution for organizing and storing food. Made from food-grade PVA-free bags are safe, durable, and help reduce environmental waste by replacing single-use plastic bags. They feature leak-proof double zipper closures, ensuring liquids like soups, sauces, and smoothies stay contained. These bags are freezer-safe, ideal for preserving freshness and preventing freezer burn. They are also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. With various sizes, they are perfect for meal prep, freezing, travel, and organizing small items around the house. The loops around the kickstand are really powerful, and they all have apps that both streamline operations. The Meal Bedside Storage Organizer is a convenient and compact solution for keeping your essentials organized and within reach. Made from durable Oxford cloth and leather, this gray caddy features 3 mesh pockets and 1 large pocket, perfect for holding items like TV remotes, phones, magazines, snacks, and more. It easily attaches between your mattress and bed frame, making it a space-saving addition to your bedside, sofa, or desk. The organizer is lightweight and easy to install, offering a neat and accessible way to store your items. Hand washable for easy maintenance, it's a practical accessory for any room. The NTNZXZ rolling pin and silicone baking pastry mat set is the perfect kitchen tool for achieving precision in baking. The 17-inch stainless steel rolling pin features adjustable thickness rings to ensure your dough is rolled to the exact thickness every time, whether you're making pizza, pie, cookies, or pasta. The set also providing a non-stick surface for easy rolling and cleanup. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, the rolling pin is durable, easy to clean, and ideal for both novices and experienced bakers. Enjoy a smooth, enjoyable baking experience with this versatile and reliable set. The Augo magnetic screen door offers a hands-free, self-sealing solution to keep bugs out while allowing fresh air in. Designed with a full-length magnetic closure, it securely seals behind you as you pass through. This durable, pet and kid-friendly door features a heavy-duty mesh that withstands repeated use, and an easy installation process uses hook and loop tape with additional push pins for added strength. The patent-pending Keep Open feature holds the screen open when needed, making it perfect for busy households. The KitchenAid fruit and vegetable spiralizer attachment is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen tools. Designed to attach to any KitchenAid stand mixer, it features 5 quick-change stainless steel blades for spiralizing, slicing, and peeling. Whether you're making zoodles, apple slices, or potato spirals, this attachment offers versatile options to creatively prepare fresh ingredients. Its polished aluminum body ensures durability and long-lasting performance, while the included storage case makes organization easy. The Sammark collapsible plastic laundry basket offers a convenient, space-saving solution for all your laundry and storage needs. With a generous 11-gallon capacity, it easily expands and collapses down to just 2.77 for compact storage, saving over 70% of space when not in use. The silicone trivet mat set from Kalinda is the perfect kitchen accessory for protecting your countertops and tables from hot cookware. Made from 100% BPA-free silicone, these mats are non-slip and heat-resistant, making them ideal for hot dishes, pots, pans, and even items straight from the oven. With a soft and flexible design, these mats offer excellent grip to prevent slippage. The set includes 3 attractive turquoise trivets that not only serve as functional hot pads, but also add a decorative touch to your home. Easy to clean, they are dishwasher safe, or can be hand-washed for convenience. The Joyroom magnetic cable clip set includes 6 cable organizers designed to keep your cords neatly arranged and easily accessible. With a 7.5 mm cable slot diameter, they accommodate various cords such as phone chargers, USB cables, and HDMI cables. The unique magnetic clamp design allows for effortless one-handed use, with a 60-deg rotating shaft that makes adding or removing cables simple. These clips are equipped with enhanced, no-residue acrylic adhesive, ensuring a secure hold on any clean, flat surface without leaving damage behind. Ideal for office desks, tables, walls, or even car dashboards, They help eliminate cable clutter while providing easy access when needed. The OXO Good Grips Avocado Slicer is a versatile tool designed for effortlessly splitting, pitting, and slicing avocados. Its stainless steel pitter removes the pit with a quick twist, while the slicer lifts the fruit from the skin in 7 uniform pieces. Featuring a soft, non-slip grip for comfort, it makes avocado preparation easy and efficient. The tool is top-racked dishwasher safe, ensuring convenient cleaning after use. Ideal for anyone who enjoys avocados, it combines all the necessary functions in one compact and user-friendly design. The Life with 5-pack drawer dividers offer an effective solution for organizing your drawers. These adjustable and expandable dividers can be set to a length ranging, fitting most drawer sizes. Made from durable ABS material with EVA foam sponges on the ends, they protect your drawers from scratches and damage. The spring tension mechanism ensures the dividers stay securely in place. Ideal for use in various areas of the home, these dividers can organize clothing, kitchen utensils, office supplies, makeup, and more. Easy to install and remove, they offer versatile placement options to keep your drawers tidy and items easy to access. The Farberware Pro Pump Salad Spinner is an efficient tool for preparing fresh, clean salads and produce. With a 6.6 quart capacity, this spinner can handle enough ingredients to feed the whole family. It features a convenient one-handed operation. Simply push the pump mechanism to spin and use the brake button to stop the spinning instantly. The bowl functions as both a salad spinner and a mixing bowl, while the basket can also be used as a colander. The soft, non-slit base keeps the spinner stable during use, and the clear bowl helps prevent countertop scratches. This versatile, easy-to-clean tool is perfect for busy kitchens. The 7 Blue 2-pack Undersink Organizer is a versatile and space-saving solution for your kitchen, bathroom, or office. Designed to provide 200% more storage, it features both large and medium baskets to accommodate items like cleaning supplies, food, or cosmetics. The sturdy plastic frame and support tubes can hold up to 50 pounds, ensuring durability. The adjustable hooks and hanging cups offer additional storage options, while the height clearance of 10.6 inches allows easy placement of taller bottles. The Priority Chef Premium Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls with airtight lids offer a durable and versatile solution for your kitchen. Crafted with thicker-than-industry standard stainless steel, these bowls are built to last while remaining lightweight. The set includes 5 bowls and features etched measurement markings to easily mix and measure in one bowl. The non-slip silicone base ensures stability, and the BPA-free airtight lids help keep your food fresh. These bowls are also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Ideal for mixing, storing, and serving, they are a must-have for any kitchen. The FYY over-the-door hooks provide a convenient and space-saving solution for organizing your living space. Made of heavy-duty metal, these hooks are rust-resistant and durable, supporting up to 20 pounds. Each hook is designed with soft rubber to prevent scratching and keep the hook securely in place. With a size of 5.12 inches in length and a groove width of 1.4 inches, they fit most doors. These hooks are perfect for hanging clothes, towels, hats, coats, bags, and more in any room, from the bathroom to the kitchen. The Mayport Chopper is a multifunctional kitchen tool designed to make meal prep faster and easier. It features 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades for slicing, dicing, chopping, and grating a variety of vegetables and fruits. The heavy-duty 420 stainless steel blades Stay Sharp includes a 1.2L container to catch food directly, reducing mess and saving counter space. Common cautionary remark: ideal for chopping onions, garlic, carrots, and more, this tool helps speed up cooking while promoting a healthier, vegetable-filled diet. Hand wash only for easy maintenance. The Sanzi UV Light Sanitizer Box offers a fast and efficient way to sanitize items using 360D UVC LED chips. With a 99.99% efficiency rate, it can clean items like baby feeding gear, phones, toys, and more in just 5 minutes. The large 5.1L capacity can accommodate up to 6 baby bottles, making it ideal for families. The stainless steel interior ensures high reflectivity for effective cleaning, while the easy-to-use design only requires pressing a button to begin the sanitization process. With a 1,000-hour lifespan and a 2-year warranty, this sanitizer is a reliable and convenient solution for your home. The magnetic spice rack for refrigerator is a sleek and innovative storage solution for your kitchen. The 4-pack rack system attaches securely to refrigerator doors, allowing you to store up to 12 spice jars or bottles on each rack, maximizing space without cluttering counters. The racks feature powerful built-in magnets that ensure a stable fit on any metal surface, and they are made from durable plastic for long-lasting use. The compact design makes it ideal for kitchens with limited cabinet space, while the easy installation requires no tools. Simply slide the racks onto the magnetic strips. Available in a range of colors, this organizer offers both style and functionality. The Delamu cord hider is an effective solution for organizing and hiding cords along walls, making your space look neat and tidy. With a 157-inch length and a sleek white finish, it blends seamlessly with your decor. Made from durable PVC, it features a UL 95V No rating for added safety, and the cord hider can be cut or painted to match your wall color. It helps protect children and pets from cables while keeping your home or office organized and looking great. The X-Norm silicone ice cube trays come in a set of 3, featuring large, square ice molds perfect for cocktails or whiskey. Made from food-grade silicone, they are BPA-free, non-toxic, and odorless. These trays include removable lids to prevent flavor contamination in the freezer. Unlike stiff plastic trays, the flexible silicone design makes it easy to remove ice by simply pushing from the bottom. Each tray has 6 large compartments, and the spacious cubes chill your drinks without diluting them. They're perfect for customizing your ice. The Micron Macrame plant hanger set includes 3 beautifully woven hangers in different sizes, perfect for adding a boho touch to your indoor space. Made of durable cotton, these hangers can accommodate various pot shapes and sizes, offering versatility in plant display. Their vintage-inspired design is ideal for hanging plants in your living room, kitchen, or balcony. With easy installation, just expand the leg strings and place the pot in the middle. These hangers are a quick way to decorate your home. This set also makes a great gift for plant lovers, providing a stylish way to showcase plants. The Jindal windshield cleaner tool makes cleaning car windows effortless, both inside and out. With an extendable aluminum handle and a pivoting 180° swivel head, it reaches every corner for a streak-free finish. This tool is ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, and even home windows. It includes 3 reusable microfiber pads to effectively remove dirt and dust, and the anti-skid handle ensures comfort during use. Whether you're removing fog, moisture, or tougher stains, the Jindal tool makes cleaning quick and easy, without harsh chemicals, keeping your windshield and other glass surfaces crystal clear. The Zulai Powerful Milk Frother is perfect for creating creamy, velvety foam in seconds. With its upgraded titanium motor that spins at 12500 RPM, this handheld frother effortlessly whips up rich foam for coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, matcha, and more. Its easy-to-use design features a comfortable grip and a simple on/off button, making it ideal for both beginners and coffee enthusiasts. Made with rust-resistant stainless steel, it's durable and easy to clean. Plus, it's compact enough to store in your bag or kitchen drawer. With a lifetime guarantee, this frother ensures long-lasting use for your favorite beverages.